Welcome! Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make pumpkin cookies. These are absolutely fantastic. Everyone loves them. The ingredients you're going to need to make this is 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of regular sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of oatmeal. This is your 1-minute cooking oatmeal. 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of your pumpkin puree. Now this is very important. You're going to use the 100% pure pumpkin. 100% pure pumpkin puree. This is what it looks like. It's just a really solid pumpkin puree. Let me show you how we're going to cream our butter and sugars together. I'm adding that room temperature butter. You really don't want your butter sitting out for more than 2 hours. If it needs to be a little softer, you can pop it in the microwave for about 5 seconds at a time till you get it lovely and soft like this. Add that white sugar along with the brown sugar. Make sure we blend these 3 ingredients together by using a hand mixer. If you want to go ahead and use a spoon, you may be my guest. We're going to beat these 3 ingredients together until it's looking lovely and creamy like this. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure you use pure vanilla. It makes all the difference in the world. 1 egg and that pumpkin puree. Back with our hand mixer. We're going to start on low, and like I said, you can also use just a wooden spoon to mix your ingredients here, but I'm choosing to use a hand mixer, and you're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl until all this is well blended and looking well combined like this. We're adding that all-purpose flour with our 1-minute cooking oatmeal with the cinnamon, the baking soda, and salt. And we're going to get it out of there. We're going to start folding our dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients. And at this time, if you want to add walnuts to this, you may. 1/2 cup of crushed walnuts would be really delicious, but I'm opting out of that today. Or even 1/2 cup of raisins. Or if you want to do 1/4 of a cup of walnuts and 1/4 of a cup of raisins, you be my guest. That looks about perfect. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These are ready for the cookie sheet. I've been using a regular spoon just to spoon out the cookie dough and put it right here on our cookie sheet. If you want to use a melon scooper, you may do that too, and then go ahead and lie it over here. It goes a lot faster, but you don't have to have one of these. Off to that 350 degree preheated oven on the middle rack for 14 to 16 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Cookies have baked. Let's get them out of the oven. And we're going to let them sit here. Oh, look how beautiful those cookies are. To make sure these pumpkin cookies are baked, you're just going to take your finger, push in the center, and if it springs back, they've completed baking. So I'm going to let them cool here on the cookie tray for about 10 minutes before I transfer them over to a cooling rack. Using a spatula, I've just been transporting my cookies off the cookie sheet over here to a cooling rack, and we want these to cool completely. Look how yummy, and they smell so good with that lovely cinnamon. I want to show you how moist they are. I want to show you what the inside looks like. Got to give it a try. Wow. Nice, moist. Can taste that pumpkin and cinnamon. Wow, one fantastic fall cookie, y'all. I think I'm going to be the cookie monster for pumpkin cookies today. I hope y'all give these a try. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.